Hi, I'm Val Carter with Canadian Management Centre with some tips today about leveraging technology to help us focus. There is so much technology out there that can help us, so many things to choose from. And when we look at all the apps out there, some of them work for us, some of them don't. So what I've found is I need to find the ones that work specifically for me, because the way my brain is wired is probably not the way your brain's wired. So play around with some of these apps. Apps to keep you productive can be as creative as one called Forest. When you are focused, the app will allow a beautiful tree to grow. Now, if you lose focus, unfortunately, that tree withers, the leaves drop off and it just dies. Nobody wants to kill their tree. So that's one way of focusing. There's another app, Noisely, where you can have sounds that block out all your distractions. There are other apps that give you office sounds. You can dial up the volume of the printer. You can dial down the volume of colleagues talking in the distance. So those kinds of things can be really useful if you're missing the office or if you find your environment distracting. Those are two different ways of approaching it. You can connect with a buddy online and sort of work together uninterrupted. Maybe you connect for an hour at a time, just seeing them on the screen and they see you. It'll keep you both focused. Or you can find an app that will allow you to do that from right across the world. Try the ones that work for you, share them with everybody, share them with your colleagues, and look for additional tips and resources below this video. Thanks for watching.